Hey guys, so this is just going to be a video on all the squishies I have made, but not like the actual real thing squishies. They're the squishies I've made from Amazing Mold Putty. So yeah. Ones you might have seen are this one. And it's on a cell phone strap and it's very squishy. And this is the first one I made, chocolate, strawberry slices, and sprinkles. I don't know, sometimes when I do that, it fixes it. I don't know. But yeah. I have a squishy bun. It's super cute. And I'm going to put a cell phone strap on this one and stuff too. It's better to insert the eye pins after, like I did to this one. Because if you add the thingy in, it can come out. Here's the one from my tutorial. It has banana slices, sprinkles, and a bow. And then my last one is a swirl donut with chocolate drizzle. Sometimes they get kind of hard to squish. But yeah. So these are the squishies I have made. I might be selling kits where you can get the eye pin, cell phone strap, cane slices, sprinkles, amazing mold putty, and the sauce. But I'm not sure yet. Once again, I have to sell the stuff that I have. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. You can ask for tutorials on swirly ones, or squish buns if you'd like. So yeah, bye.